This is very surprising because I've been sitting here for a very long time and I didn't see this note. It feels so good without that makeup. I know, boring, but yeah. We'll straight up go ahead with the makeup. Let's start with the eyebrows, with hiding the eyebrows first. Let's just try the glue. Place it on my eyebrows. We'll apply some foundation and I will be using... Why my chair is making so much sound? Shut up. So I'm using Maybelline 320 Natural Tan. I'm using concealer by Color Essence in the shade Pinkish Beige. So okay, my eyebrows are gone. So this is how I would look without my eyebrows. I think there is no difference because I look like this anyway. I have this tinted foundation which is by the One Peach Perfector. I'm gonna use this concealer in the shade medium. Get a little more pale look. So to make eyebrows, I'm gonna use black eyeshadow. Annabelle doll didn't have like any eyeshadow on, but the doll had big eyes. To make my eyes look bigger, I'm gonna use a very lighter shade on my eyes as my eyeshadow, and also I'm just gonna make it bigger like on the lower side by using white eyeliner. The Annabelle doll has too much blush on. Lining my under eye white part with black eyeshadow. Just add some lashes. Okay, so my phone is not able to detect my face. This is how different I look right now. Like, I look so spooky right now. If I ever want to scare someone, I would just... It's not done yet. I have to do my hair and then it's finally done. So let me just open the picture of Annabelle so that I could see if there's anything left to do. I'm just gonna do my hair and then I'll be right back. So yeah, this is the final look. I think I should do a little bit more contouring. Where's the brush? I need a brush too. Where's my brush? What is this? Okay, this is very surprising because I've been sitting here for a very long time and I didn't see this note. I'm just gonna ignore this. So this is the final look. So this is the final look. So if you like this look, it's me. What is happening? It's me.